Hello, welcome back to my channel and this series of NeoVim. So today we are going to do the final test somehow. So congratulations if you did so far until this video. You probably now have practiced a lot of the concepts that you will use almost in every other usage that you give to Newbie. So I will open a screen key and we'll go through the final test. So it says that it will covers all concepts from previous modules, and each exercise presents a code snippet in a different language and a task to perform. So basically, let's change what it does. This is P. It says, in this snippet, delete the line containing the printf. Use any deletion command that you prefer. So let's put in practice this thing. So let's do 19D. Oh, 19, no, 9. 9D. Next. Assembly. In this assembly snippet, change the instruction move X to move EVX. So let's what could be a quick method to do that? Let's do J. Let's do FI and replace. So R and B. Then we have to change the 1 to 0. So F1, I think that there is control, no command, control shift. I don't remember, because I think that there is this command where you can reduce the number of numbers, but let's do your replace again, 0. So these are very good exercises, just to practice. So it says, yank the line print star hello and paste it below the line print word. So basically we will have to have 2 lines of hello. So it should be YY and P. That should be great. Next one, COBOL. This and if you see, these exercises are more focused on visual mode and the substitution command. In this COBOL, use visual to delete the latent space within the procedure division. So you want to delete just the procedure division. Okay, that sounds pretty much easy. So let's go backward. Usually I think that you will delete the whole block, but let's do it. Let's do 3J. No. 3K. 3K. And 3H. It should be 4H, but this should suffice. Very good. Should be 4. But, well, we don't have a ruler, so we cannot check how many columns it has. This is Lisp or common Lisp. We can use visual mode to select the 2 lines inside let and delete them. Just using visual mode inside the let. So first, we'll do a quick travel here. Let's do F bracket. So we have to delete the 2 lines. We can do quickly if we just do another command. I will do both. So let's enter visual mode, J, $, D should be doing the thing. But if you remember, we can use some movement like D percentage, and it will delete the whole thing also. Really good. Next. Prolog. This is a very old language. Those ones are pretty old. Use the S to replace all occurrences of parent with ancestor in the line containing parent XY. So all the occurrence. So let's use substitution parent ancestor. So if we do this and we do dot, we will have to do it again and again and again. So we will do S parent ancestor enter. But if you want to do it faster, if it's all out of occurrence, you will do percentages to have the whole thing, and we will do parent and right ancestor and present and next. Next. So Haskell, the line contain Y20. 60. I want to. If I have the line numbers, I will apply them every time if I can. In this Scala snippet, to change the word var to var on the first two variables declaration. So there are a few ways of doing this, but I will do. Let's do CW var escape. Oh, I did the same. Sorry. B. So let's do CW var escape. B dot. That should be it. Oh, pretty good. Next. Closure. Closure snippet. Yank the expression print hello and paste it below the print line word. Okay. So let's do how will be a good thing. Yang and P here. That should almost work. But if you see, we have a matching parenthesis. So let's navigate with the percentage. And let's do DD. Oh no, DD will be dangerous. I enter KP. That didn't work. That wasn't fast enough. What we could do? If we do P, we have to put another parenthesis. So I think the most efficient thing is just to do W, P. Oh, that's a good trick. So let's use a register. Let's do in a register. Let's jump the line. Let's do at the end $sign. Let's do DW. Let's do AP. Let's go to the end. And let's just append another bracket. That was a little bit tricky because of the parenthesis thing. Next one. Elixir snippet. Select 3 lines, defining the function and delete them. Just to practice. That doesn't seem like a final test. Erlang. This leading spaces within the case expression. So we are just like to unindent this thing. I think that this is only the only application of these kind of things. I'm not the one doing the exercise. Well, technically I am, but nothing else. F sharp. Change to let to mutable in the first variable declaration. Well, this is a good thing. But it's a simple code, so I will just use visual mode to do this. CW. Oh, let's do undo. Let's do majors I, mutable escape. That didn't work. How to do it properly? Maybe we can replace it. Maybe majors are. No, that didn't work. It didn't tell us how. So we can do use CW, mutable, escape, go down, 0, dot. That could work. Tell me in the comments if you find a motion that is quicker than mine. That is faster, I think that is the way to tell it. Used to replace all occurrence of a string. Oh, a string with number. Okay. That's pretty easy. We have been doing it like a lot. A string number. Okay. Oh, I have to press enter. You get the idea. View SFC. View SFC. This seems like a front-end thing. I hope. Select using visual to select the lines inside the script and delete them. So it's like having to delete a script. It says that we can use visual mode, so let's do it, but this is just very easy at this point. Assembly again. Seriously? That's what they call practice. I think that there are not too many exercises where you can get like tricked out. I could do a module like 15 or 16 where I put really hard exercises so you can practice in a better way these things. Tell me if you want that. So 11.6, change the word into float. It seems like a more practice, like rather than a final test. But in the function signature, so this is CW, float, Fortran. Okay, so the first occurrence of 10, but there are no other 10, my friend. So it's 10, 20. I can't click escape. It's 10, 20. Select the two lines containing display and stop run. Young the move to the line below. Below what? Below program ID, hello world. Oh, so it's like Okay, this is not that hard. Is there another way to do it? Let's do let's do V to J or $, junk. Let's go here and do P. Undo. Let's do $, and do P. Oh, pretty interesting. Interesting. So let's do V. This one is different. I could use caret sign to go to the beginning of the visual. $, J, junk. Let's go here. $, P. A. Oh my God. H. A. I. And enter. This like somewhat what we need. This is not the most efficient way of doing that. It is good to try to think on ways to do that kind of movement. The word default to diff macro. Oh, but you got the idea. This works. So this is the again very similar one to the other. You can do these exercises first and then I will do it, but it's pretty much like the same thing. Finally 11.9. And see, this is has creatively changed the word X to A, Y to V, and C to C. How to do it fast? Because I have to do CW a lot of times. Without doing movements. No, I think that there is no, at least not easy way to do that. So I will do R A J R V J R C. Scala. First occurrence. We are on the on the line that we need to do this. Even the movement is not necessary. I will do LM and I will substitute with F. That should be all. Closure, the line container print hello. DD. I won't do it. Next one, Elixir. Change our grid to say hello. But just the whole thing, because if it's that, CW, without the trick, Erlang, first occurrence of IO format with IO right. this will be just a quick pattern. I will lose format. I will lose right. And this will be done. I feel like cheating, but well, that's not. Name and age, young them, and place below. So it's like. Again, visual mode. I will use visual line, junk, and paste. So delete the semicolons at the end. Use visual block to delete all the things. If those things are not aligned, I cannot do it very fast. So I will delete the semicolons at the end of the interface property. So basically, this is an interface. I have to do in this part. So as the whole file allows me to do the trick, what I have to do, let's say F, no, F colon, no, F semicolon B, W, J dot, oh no, this didn't work. It could be a macro. Let's record a macro to do that. If you have another idea, paste in the comment. QE 0 F colon DW and recording. J dot at E J at E. I will do all the day. And change the word message to greeting, the template block. So basically here, (11:13) assembly again. Change the occurrence with X. What? So basically, let's do just a simple substitution with semicolon. With a command. S X A X D X A. It worked properly. So next one, return O plus B and paste it below the line containing into main. So basically we are moving this line. I think that we saw commands to do this in a very efficient way, but I will do YY, junk the line, and I will do 12B. It should have been working. Let's do it again. YY 12B. It didn't paste it. YY. Then let's do 12. J no. It's like 12G or G12. I don't remember. That is G12 and there's 2P. Oh, I pasted 12 times. Motions. Oh. So basically this is the congratulations. So basically this is the congratulations for us. I admit that this wasn't that hard. Completed the learning tutorial. Yay! So, congratulations to you. And, well, we have another unit that is related to like more advanced movement, but that's optional. And with that, now you are more familiar with more moving, visual mode, repetition, deleting, junking, searching, finding, and doing basic movement and command line mode and some stuff editing things. So basically, from now onwards, I'm pretty sure you can do it by yourself, just looking into internet tricks and practice by yourself. But if you want to learn more things, I will continue because the plugin continues with units 12 through 14, just teaching us a little more advanced stuff, but maybe not that practical on doing things on screen. So on screen, I mean with manipulation, text manipulation. So I hope you enjoyed it. Please leave a like and subscribe if you're interested on this kind of content. And see you in the next one. Thank you.